Traveling can be an exciting and rewarding experience, but it can also be stressful and overwhelming if you're not prepared. That's why it's important to arm yourself with some key travel hacks that can make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. First and foremost, always pack light. It can be tempting to bring along everything but the kitchen sink when you're going on a trip, but trust me, you'll thank yourself later if you pack light. Not only will it save you from lugging around a heavy suitcase, but it will also make navigating airports and train stations much easier. Another important travel hack is to roll your clothes instead of folding them. Not only does this save space in your suitcase, but it also helps prevent wrinkles in your clothing. Plus, it makes it easier to see what you've packed and find what you need without having to dig through a messy pile of clothes. When it comes to packing toiletries, invest in some travel-sized containers and fill them with your favorite products. This will save you from having to buy expensive travel-sized items at the last minute, and it will also ensure that you have all of your essentials with you wherever you go. If you're traveling internationally, make sure to pack a universal adapter so that you can charge your devices no matter where you are. It's also a good idea to bring a power strip with multiple outlets so that you can charge all of your devices at once. When it comes to booking flights, be flexible with your dates and times. You'll often find better deals if you're willing to fly on off-peak days or at odd hours. It's also a good idea to use a private browsing mode when searching for flights online, as some websites will track your searches and raise prices accordingly. If you're traveling on a budget, consider staying in hostels or using Airbnb instead of booking expensive hotels. Not only will you save money, but you'll also have a more authentic travel experience and meet interesting people along the way. When it comes to navigating a new city, download offline maps on your phone so that you can find your way around, even if you don't have access to Wi-Fi. It's also a good idea to learn a few key phrases in the local language to help you communicate with locals and show respect for their culture. Finally, always make copies of your important documents, such as your passport and travel itinerary, and keep them in a separate place from the originals. This will save you a lot of hassle if your documents are lost or stolen while you're traveling. By following these travel hacks, you can make your next journey a breeze and focus on enjoying the experience rather than stressing about the details. Happy travels!